Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change an ignition coil on a Nissan Murano. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent any electrical issues. Always allow the engine to cool completely before you begin, as components can be very hot. Gather your essential tools, including a 10mm socket, a ratchet, and a torque wrench to ensure a smooth process. Next, you will need to access the ignition coils. Begin by carefully removing the engine cover, which is typically held by a few bolts. Once the cover is off, you will see the 6 ignition coils, one for each cylinder. Disconnect the electrical connector from each coil by pressing the tab and pulling. Then, use your 10mm socket to unbolt the single retaining bolt holding each coil in place. Now for the actual replacement. Carefully pull the old ignition coil straight up and out from the spark plug. Take a moment to inspect the spark plug. If it looks worn, this is an excellent time to replace it. Insert the new ignition coil, ensuring it seats firmly over the spark plug. Reconnect the electrical connector until it clicks, and then tighten the 10mm retaining bolt to its specified torque, usually around 75 inch-pounds. Finally, it is time to wrap up and test your work. Reinstall the engine cover, making sure all bolts are securely fastened. Reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start your Nissan Murano and listen carefully for smooth engine operation. The engine should run without any misfires or rough idling. Also, check your dashboard for any warning lights, especially the check engine light, to confirm a successful repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.